We're back with another video. Today we're with Omar's car. We got we are going to remove his hood because we are going to be working on his car. So we just got to remove this sucker and we're good to go for today. I still got to go pick up the ramps out of his house. So I'm going to take his hood in the red truck, put it in the back, drop the hood off, and then get the ramps. So let's take it off. We gotta remove these bad boys. I believe they're 10 mils, and we should be good to go. All right, guys, hood is removed. Now we gotta move it so I can pull out the red truck. Hood's in the back of the truck now, and we will now go get the hood. Ciao, turbo! All right, I'm gonna move the unit. All right, as you can see how low this car is because of how turbo reaches. And Turbo's kind of a short dog. All right, we're done. Now, hood's off. Now we gotta go drop off the hood and get the ramps for the trailer. There's Omar's hood. We have it in the back. And we just got to drop it off and then get the ramps and we're good to go. Okay, thank you. All right, guys, so we went to church. I totally forgot to record the other part, but we're gonna eat real quick. And then head back to pick up my trailer and then head to Dylan's house. Because we're gonna work on it. We're gonna work on Omar's part at Dylan's house.
Post in the comments. What's the difference between regular toast and French toast?
Cool. Alright, so time to chow down, guys. We're heading out now. Got Heather behind me in the truck. Now we're gonna go and start working on it. We just gotta take it to the shop. And then we gotta let it cool off for a little bit, and then we'll start just destroying it apart. So we'll see how we do. Officially made it. About to do the change. We'll see how we do. Moment of truth. So we're gonna just let it cool off for a bit, start taking some parts off, and we'll take you along with it. All right, so we removed the intake, not the intake, the one that goes into the charge pipe into the intercooler. We already have all the bolts for the fuel rails. Intakes are loose. Now we're just doing part by part because it's still a little bit hot. We just gotta cut this. And then found a lot of rat poop. A lot of junk. Oh yeah, by the way, one of Omar's wires, plugs, was cut off. No way, no. Alright, so we cleaned up part of the block. We measured, removed the plastics. Now we're gonna start cutting off little by little to see how much we need, and then we'll go from there. I just have to make sure with that sensor I don't hit it. And yeah, I'm just gonna cover it up. We should be good to go.
What is this? Vacuum?
Yeah.
Where are those wires at?
I moved them down. Alright guys, so we cut it, but we still need a little bit more space for the fittings. Dylan already cut this. What is it, the valence? So far, looks pretty good. So what we did, we just marked it with the Sharpie. That was it. Chopped it up. We had to remove all these lines, normal stuff. We don't know yet what's gonna go back on exactly. I'm guessing everything the same other than just these back here.
I cut it again first
So now we just gotta cut a little bit more and then figure out from there. All right, we just chopped up the rest here. I think we should be good to go. Now we just gotta remove it and clean it. All right, so we cut them up. Fits on good now. We just marked the bag to make sure if we do need to cut further for the lines that are gonna go back here. We'll leave enough space for the, if we get 90-degree fittings, we'll be able to slap them on easy. And I think that's it. I guess that was the hardest part, just cutting the back. And yep, so now we just gotta cut it again. And I'm waiting on Omar to send me pictures of the fittings that he got so we can see if they're 90 degrees or what they look like, so we know how much to cut in the back.
Yeah, thanks to me. It's good.
All right, now we just put these on, twisted them on. We're good to go. Putting on the top part. We just gotta find the screws for the tops, and then we'll be done. All right, guys, we are done for tonight because we need some parts like the fuel rail fittings and some parts that we need right here. But these should be coming tomorrow. So if they're here by tomorrow, we'll finish it, hopefully. All right, guys. Ahí nos vemos. Peace.